This is the third flood I've had in 1 year. I'm flooded again! Hey, so here we are. It's 24th or 25th of July. Another 35-minute rainstorm, maybe 45-minute rainstorm. And we're flooded completely again. This is beyond a joke, man. So, pumping it out. Alright, I've got the pump set up there, just pumping it out. I just made a little shot. I don't know if you watch my shots. Yeah. So we're pumping it out and we are getting down. It was right up to here. It was right up to here. And we're down there lower. Which is brilliant. That means that this top surface water should go down there, hopefully. We'll see. I had to do a video just now while it's still light because it is 7 o'clock and I need to watch this crap all night, man. It's not went into the house, thankfully it's not went into the house, but I was in the toilet and I flushed the toilet and it went drop 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 drop. I was like, that's not good. The water's struggling to go away. So sure enough, the groundwater has risen with just that bit of rain. Well, it's coming down from the mountains as well, but bloody great, eh? I have attached the big blue pipe, which is a bigger diameter than the smaller blue one, which should move more water, and it's going over the wall into a kind of spare plot of ground there. So I guess this is what we're looking at. It's around about 2 feet down. About 2 feet down. So I'm going to do my little trick, my little measurement trick, and just see. Okay, like this stone here, I'll just put it right next to here, but where it's the water is just covering it. So just now the water is just barely, there we go, just barely covering the top of it. Right. So we'll come back. This will be the measurement. I'll put this here. Yeah. And that way we know exactly how the level of the water is moving. Okay, signing off. Happy flood day. Like and subscribe, please, please. Okay, let's do this. You're going to see what I'm going to see. I have the laser pen out, which is kind of cool. But let's check the flood situation first. Oh, we are receding. We are going down, down, down. Ideal. Where's that little stone? There it is, right there. That's the stone that I put down. Okay. Yes, brilliant. It's working. It's going down. Let's check the water in the well. It was about 2 foot down the last time. Now 2 or 3 feet down, yep, 2.5, 3 feet. Okay. I was worried that it was going to pump out too quickly, but it's filling in very quickly. Okay, the golf garden might be saved. As long as we don't have another rainfall. Yes. Just so you know, that's the pump in the well and the pipe is coming out and it's coming all the way over here and going into this kind of orchard there, and it's maybe coming back in a little bit, but it's pumping out more into that place than it's coming back in here. It's still flooded here, yep, and all the way around there. That's deep over there. Oh crikey. If you want to do anything to help, absolutely free, is just subscribe. Please subscribe. I'm doing these videos for free right now. I'm trying to get 1,000 subscribers so I can get some money from YouTube, from people watching just like yourself. If you haven't subscribed and you've watched a couple of my videos, please subscribe. There's like 98% of my viewers haven't subscribed. Okay, so please, if you have it in your heart, subscribe. We'll try and get to that 1,000. I've been doing this for 3-4 months now. I know it's not a long time, but geez, oh, I've went through some shit. Please subscribe if you can. It's hurricane, I don't know what the name of it is, Wipha. Is it a tropical storm or a hurricane? I don't know, but that's what I'm getting battered with, and it's going to be all week. So yeah, if you want to follow what goes on with my resort that I've been fixing up for a year, it's been going really well, and it was a golf garden resort, a backyard golf course with sand bunkers which are full of water right now. This is the 3rd flood I've had in 1 year. Aye. So please subscribe, would be great. Thanks a lot. That's the flood water draining back into the water well. It's a good sign. It's draining in quite quickly, so that means there's a lot of water building up, but yeah, as long as I can pump it out. Oh look, there's a crab. Wicked. Put you in a suntan. So yeah, let's just keep this pump running, probably until this all goes away, and then I'll turn it off and see how quickly it fills back up, and if it comes up over the lip, this concrete lip here, that is just below ground level, so that's my marker. Alright, signing off, thank you. Hey, it's 11 o'clock at night now. Listen to these frogs. That's incredible. So it's been 4 hours. And yeah, the water's mostly away, apart from over there. And that green, lots of water still here, but we have moved it away from the putting green. So let's have a look and see where we're at now. We're about 3 feet down. 3 feet down. Okay, that's good enough. I am going to shut off the lecky. Yep. Not the safest thing that, but fuck it. And Let's hope it doesn't fill all the way back up. I'll need to check on it in 1 hour. But as of now, it's nearly all gone. From the putting green. Woo! Don't forget to like and subscribe. Subscribe, that's the most important thing. Subscribe. Please. Boom. Regal Eagle Golf.